Hey guys, we're back with another YouTube video, and today, for every backflip I do, I will be doing one turn on my Rubik's Cube until I can actually solve it, okay? So, let me just give it a quick scramble. No, that won't work. I'm just gonna look up. Put it behind my back. Okay, that should be good. All right, so let's get started. Okay, first backflip. Here we go. Let me take my shoes off. I find it easier to flip without shoes on. Ready, set, go. That's backflip number one. First move I'm gonna do is put the green and white center in place, like so. Okay, second backflip. Here we go. Second move I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this blue and white right here, just like that. Third backflip. 3 backflips. And I'm gonna put the blue in the right spot. Alright, I'm gonna just do speed run. I'm gonna just speed run like 25 backflips, and I'll show you the moves on the screen. Wait, no. Yeah, I'll show you the moves in real time. Alright, here we go. That's 3. Okay, so that's 3. So put the orange in place. Then move this like that and red up. Speed run 5. Alright, so 5. So I'm gonna make the white cross correct by doing that. Okay, I'm gonna do first layer, first layer. Move this there, up. That's 3. So I have one more move. I'm gonna do this. Perfect. Alright. Speed run 10. That's 10. Wow, I feel dizzy now. Okay, so first move, up. Second move, back. Third move, there. Wait. Wait, where was I? Wait, that was 3 moves, so I made 5 moves already, I think. No. Yeah, 5 moves already. Okay, so 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2. Alright. Let's go 10 more. Let me my keep down for these. And let me take my socks off. More grip, you know. Alright, so move this piece up. There. First layer finished. Alright. So I still have 8 more moves. 1, 2. That's 6. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's keep going. 2, ready, go. Whoa, I made it so long right there. That's 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna do 3 right there. And then 1, 2, 3. I have the wrong thing. Let me put that back in place. Okay, so let me redo the last 9 moves that I did. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I'm gonna just do 15 real quick. I'll speed this up over anything. Okay, that's 20. Let's keep going. Okay, so okay, 120. Okay, I'm going to do 25 more. I'm gonna have to really speed this up. Okay, that's 25. Let's go. Okay, 25. That's 11 more. Let's keep going. Okay. Guys, I'm so close. I just need 1, 2. I just need 2 more backflips. Here we go. 1 and 2. Yes! 1, 2. Yes! Okay guys, I'll see you on the next video. Bye.